Guys, make we jump enter this simple recipe. This one na the simple recipe wey be say you go find for Italy. You go quick cook the food because the food no require a lot of ingredients. Okay, make I the name am. First, onions. Second, salmon. Salmon na this one, okay, that is roasted fish, roasted salmon. I don't know what they call it for English. We call it salmon, okay, roasted one. Then third, with your wine. Then finish. Now we want to cook the pasta when we say we want cook, so and oil with small salt. Then it don't finish. So as I just wake up this morning, because I not quick wake up because today I not too much day okay. So now it's okay. See, say my husband go come ask for lunch. I got to think now. I not quick wake up. Wait till I want quick cook for him now. When be say he go eat fast. Then he go back to work. Now so okay, make I cook a spaghetti with salmon. A very simple one. Okay, now I be waiting. I want cook, so make I see carry una along. I do not go like am. Kiss like am.